What happens when you eat turnips every day? Turnips are often overlooked as a simple root veggie. But they belong to the same family as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. They have been grown for thousands of years, dating back to ancient Greece and Rome. There are many colorful kinds including white, golden, purple top, and scarlet turnips. All of these offer vitamins, minerals, and special antioxidants like glucosinolates. These can reduce the risk of diseases and improve your overall health. So let's learn what happens when you eat turnips every day. 1. Reduce your cancer risk. Turnips are rich in glucosinolates, which break down into isothiocyanates when eaten. Isothiocyanates are powerful antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals that damage cells and promote cancer. Studies show one isothiocyanate called sulforaphane can reduce oxidative stress by up to 73% in human cells. It can also inhibit breast cancer cell growth by 85% and trigger cell death in prostate cancer cells. Research suggests it may help prevent gastric, colon, liver, and lung cancers too. Isothiocyanates can also boost the immune system's natural killer cells that eliminate cancerous cells. 2. Reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to diseases like heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, dementia, Alzheimer's, and cancers. Compounds in turnips called indoles and isothiocyanates have anti-inflammatory effects. Studies show they can reduce inflammation associated with arthritis, asthma, kidney disease, COPD, heart disease, and diabetes. Sulforaphane reduced inflammatory markers by 30% in animal studies. 3. Antimicrobial properties. Harmful bacteria can cause infections, release toxins, and trigger inflammation leading to disease. Luckily, isothiocyanates in turnips have impressive antimicrobial activity against foodborne bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. One study shows sulforaphane can inhibit E. coli growth by 80%. It can even combat antibiotic-resistant strains, reducing antibiotic-resistant staph growth by 50%. 4. Help manage diabetes. A study found type 2 diabetes patients who ate turnip greens for 12 weeks reduced fasting blood sugar by 13.3% and HbA1c by 7%. The high fiber in turnips, 5 g per cup, likely slows carb absorption to prevent blood sugar spikes. Turnips also have a low glycemic index, so they have minimal impact on blood sugar. Their antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation associated with diabetes too. 5. Improve respiratory health. One medium turnip provides 30% of your daily vitamin A needs. Vitamin A maintains the respiratory lining to act as a barrier against infections. Adequate vitamin A intake reduced respiratory infection risk by 25% in children. Turnips are also rich in anthocyanin antioxidants that can protect the respiratory system and reduce COPD risk by 26%. Their antimicrobial compounds prevent respiratory infections too. 6. Strengthen bones. 1 cup of cooked turnip greens has 2,029 milligrams of calcium, 20% of daily needs, and 141 micrograms of vitamin K, 170% of needs. Vitamin K directs calcium to bones where it's needed. Turnips also provide phosphorus and magnesium for bone strength. Turnips provide 30% of daily vitamin A, which prevents night blindness. They are also a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration by 25%. Remember, while turnips offer many benefits, they should be part of a balanced diet, not a sole treatment. Consult your doctor if you have any health conditions or take medications to determine if turnips are suitable for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel for more health-related videos.